Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything and today we are back with another video and today we are going to do the unboxing and a review of these Mivi collar earphones. And guys, as you can see, these are the neckband kind of earphones. So we are going to look at these earphones today, and Mivi has launched them a couple of weeks ago. So I thought let's do a review of these earphones. So guys, as you can see at the back of the box, we have some quick specs like 10 hours playtime, but we'll check how the battery life is, super solid base, magnetic lock and all those kind of stuffs. And the MRP is 4,999, but you can get it from Amazon or the Mivi official website around 2,500 rupees after applying the coupon code, but they are normally selling around 3,000 rupees. So if you're okay with that, then I have to say the price is not that much high, but we're gonna check out is they worth it or not. So the first thing first, we have a USB cable. So this is a micro USB cable to charge it up, and yeah, we have some more ear tips as well, so that's a good thing. And yeah, so this is what it is, and these are the earphones itself. Let me just take them out, and the build quality seems to be good, yeah, but we'll check how the build quality is. And yeah, let me just see what else do we get. So nothing much. We have these useless manual and guys, these are the earphones itself. And guys, in terms of the build quality, this is not the best build quality that I've seen, but yeah, the body is made up of plastic, but the earplug housing is made up of metal. So this is not the best build quality, but yeah, the build quality is not that bad. It is fairly good and it does the job pretty well. So yeah, but if you're a kind of rough user, then you have to be aware of that. So guys, now let's try to connect it with my smartphone, and you just have to hold your power button and it will start blinking in blue and orange color, so it means it's in pairing mode. And as you can see, they are connected, and yeah, you can just start playing music or start calling. Yeah, just good to go. And guys, there is one more feature of these earphones, and that is you can connect two smartphones with these earphones. Two smartphones, two phones. And as you can see, they are connected to my primary phone as of now, and in order to do that, you just have to hold on your power up and power down button and just press them at the same time, and they will just go into your pairing mode. And now you can connect your another device with these one, and you are good to go. And I think this is pretty good feature if you use more than one smartphone. And yeah, this is pretty good feature. And guys, in terms of the fitting, I have to say they are pretty comfortable in your neck. And but if I talk about the fitting of the earplug, then guys, I have to say the fitting of the earplugs is not that great. Literally, they are you just have to replace the default ear tips because they are not that much good. If I talk about the sound quality of these earphones, then guys, I have to this sound quality is good but not the best I have heard in this price range. So guys, I think Mivi had not done a pretty good job in the sound quality, because the bass is there but it's not that much high and that not that much balanced. The bass is not punchy. Yeah, the bass is there, but in terms of clarity, I have to say the clarity is really good. The lows and mids are above average, and I would say pretty good. But in terms of the bass is not that great, and the default ear tips are also not that great. They just slip out of your ears, so in order to prevent that, you have to replace the ear tips. And yeah, so I have to say the overall these earphones are good, but if you are an audiophile kind of person and want a really high quality sound, then these are not for you. But if you're finding a neckband kind of earphones, then they are actually for you. So guys, if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, then guys, please hit the subscribe button. Guys, please do that. And goodbye, see you later, peace.